Haksonzone GFX.
Hi guys, Haksonzone here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you the new free logo that I made. It's like assassin, ninja, mascot, I don't know, and it's like completely free logo. You can use it for your channel or your team or whatever, but if you don't know how to use free templates, just follow my steps, okay? First, you need to download all the files from the description, okay? So this file, font, avatar, banner and logo. First thing, you need to install the font, okay? Just open this. Here is the font, double click and click install, okay? Wait a second and that's it, you install the font. Now select these three files, avatar, banner and logo, right click and extract files here, extract here, okay? And this is, now select all PSD files and click open. Of course you need to have Photoshop for this. It's like any Photoshop, but without Photoshop you can do it. Now go on. If you need just avatar and banner, that's okay, but if you want like logo, when you open the logo, select this tool, it's like type tool, and select this text and just change it whatever you want, okay, and click OK. If you want to save it, go to file, export, save for web. Here you need to change on JPG file, save it in some folder or wherever you want. Same for the avatar, just change the text, okay, file, export, save for web. But when you save avatar, you need to save it in PNG because avatar doesn't have background, so save it in PNG and save. And for banner, of course, is the same. Select the text, change it, okay, file, export, save for web, and avatar you can save it in JPG file, okay, and save it. And that's it, guys. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. So if you like this logo, feel free to use it and download it. And that's it. Bye.